Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I have assistants that's going to tell you what's going on. Named Alley Cat.
Sabrina the Mismatch Crafters at Crafty Sale Garage Sale prices on August the 17th at 4 Eastern Time, 3 Central Standard Time, 2 Mountain Time, and 1 Pacific Time, hosted on Tina's Messy Crafty Life channel.
Alrighty, guys. Didn't you do a good job? Yay! Alright. Sabrina's having this sale, as it says. It's a crafty sale with garage sale prices. You guys are not going to get a better deal on the prices that she has this stuff marked at. I guarantee that. And if you do, you're very lucky. I've seen some of the stuff. I'm not going to let you know what it is. So y'all have to come on the 17th and check out all this goodness that Sabrina will be selling at rock bottom prices, guys. So I hope to see you there on the 17th at 4 Eastern, 3 Central, 2 Mountain, 1 Pacific on my channel. And as always,
be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.